Sell stock photos and footage. If you're an avid photographer or videographer, consider selling stock photos and footage to generate a passive income. It's a great way to practice your passion while earning extra money on the side. Many companies and business owners use stock content in their marketing campaigns, ads, and websites. In addition to the standard stock photo format, buyers constantly look for fresh ideas and unique perspectives to make their company stand out. You can make a photography website and sell photos there. At the same time, it's a good idea to sign up on a few online marketplaces and list your digital downloads. That way, you'll get a head start at cultivating your personal brand while promoting it to potential buyers. Some of the biggest stock photography and videography websites include Shutterstock. Offers multiple earning levels based on the number of downloads. Getty Images. Pays at a royalty rate of 15% minus 45% depending on the license exclusivity agreement. VideoHive. This platform deals in stock videos and photos as part of the larger Envato ecosystem. The earnings depend on the number of items sold and whether you sell exclusively on the platform. Dissolve. Specializes in selling high-quality curated stock videos and photos, with a standard royalty rate of 30% of the net selling price for non-exclusive contributors. Exclusive contributors can get higher rates upon request.